The simplest and obvious one is its location. It is connected 360 degrees to every part of India. The areas that drive consumption, the areas that drive the collation of money, the biggest ports, the areas with all of the natural resources. Madhya Pradesh is inevitable if you're looking at the movement of goods and services across India. Second, Madhya Pradesh has, unlike most of our other states, it has considerable capacity to offer you land, electricity, and water in a way that very few can. In the sense, it is not at the stage where these are competitively sought and that it is difficult for the state, no matter how business friendly it is, to be able to offer it to you. Of course, it has people. It has long had a long tradition of investing in people through education, and therefore it isn't just that you will have highly skilled manpower that will emerge out of Madhya Pradesh, but you also have the opportunity to invest in skilling, in education, and in the technology sectors, because Madhya Pradesh seeks, as you just heard from Mr. Dubey, to be a pioneer not just in IT and IT-enabled services, not just in ESDM, but also in cutting-edge areas of the application of technology, including in audiovisual and gaming services, but also in global capacity and capability centers, GCCs.
यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री के विजनरी व्यक्तित्व के आधार पर हम सब आज जिस दौर में बैठे हैं, अधिकांश भरतवंशी हैं। हम सबका अंतर्मन और वो दौर भी याद होगा 10-20 साल पहले का भारत और आज का भारत। केवल 2014 के बाद से किस प्रकार से एक देश और इस प्रकार की विविधता वाला देश, इतने प्रकार की चुनौतियां, नाना प्रकार के वातावरण और सभी प्रकार के मौसम के कई सारी होनी अनहोनी घटनाओं के बीच, लेकिन इंग्लैंड की और भारत की कई साझी विरासत भी है। और साझी विरासत हमारी राजनीतिक परिस्थितियां, लेकिन उसमें लोकतंत्र का गौरव भी है, जो इंग्लैंड में भी है और भारत में भी है।